Hello boys and girls. Today we are taking a quick look at something called perimeter. It is the same word in English as in French. Let's imagine for a minute that this is my back garden. In my back garden is my little dog. She is a wonderful little dog, but she is a bit naughty and she likes to get out of the garden and go exploring. And I am afraid that I will lose her. So I have decided to put up a fence around my garden to keep the dog in. And in order to order the fence, I need to find out how much fence I'm going to need. I know that this side is 10 meters. This side is 5 meters, this side is 10 meters, and this side is 5 meters. In order to find the perimeter, which is the distance around the outside of the yard, in order to find the perimeter so I can put my fence up, I have to add those numbers together. The perimeter equals 10 meters plus 5 meters plus 10 meters plus 5 meters. Then I have to add them all to find out my total. I know that 10 plus 10 is 20. My 2 5s will give me another 10, which will give me 30. 30 meters. If I want to put up a fence all the way around the outside of this yard, I will need to buy 30 meters of fencing. Now, most backyards are a pretty regular shape, but let's say we have one that is not so regular. Here is a backyard in the shape of an arrow. So, in order to get this perimeter, we need to add up not just 4 sides, we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Let's start right here at the nose. It makes it a bit easier to keep track. We're going to find the perimeter, add 4 meters plus 8 meters plus 4 meters plus 8 meters plus 4 meters. There we have it. 4 meters, 8 meters, 4 meters, 8 meters, 4 meters. And it's all right there. Now I have to add it up. Sometimes when I go to add things up, it is a little bit easier to put them into groups. And I know that 8 plus 4 is going to give me 12. So I could do this like 12 meters plus 8 and 4 is 12 again, plus 4 meters. And I would know that 12 plus 12 is 24, because that's just one of those things we know. 12 plus 12 is 24, plus 4 is 28. So those are our 2 shapes and how we can find the perimeter of those 2 shapes. I have a little exercise for you to do. We have many shapes here. And I would like you, using the measurements I've written down, to find the perimeter of each and every one of these shapes. There isn't a lot of room for you to work, so if you would like to work on another piece of paper and just write the answer there, that is fine. Have a super day, boys and girls.